Hi, it's Julien here from Spinal Health Centre. I'm here with Jeff, who we're going to go through a first adjustment. So this is exactly what we would do the first time somebody comes to see us, and is actually the first time we've done this. So this is genuinely real. And how was the level of terror at the moment?
About 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Okay, I shall be nice to you. Okay, so knees about there. Climb up, lie down, stick nose in the hole. Well done. Okay. You probably go up towards your head about a couple of about 4 centimeters. Trying to do things in metric. There we go. You're not inches at all, are you?
I'm a centimetre.
You're all centimeters all the way. Yeah, that's making me work really hard, having to do some conversion. Right. Okay. So, Jeff, there are 3 things that we definitely know make this process work a lot better. The ringing of the bell is nothing. That's probably my next client's coming in, so I'm just going to keep on going. Okay, so first thing is the way you got on from the back of the couch basically keeps your spine nice and straight. At some point, I promise you, you'll try and get on from the side, or you'll roll, or you'll sit, or you'll do something, and we'll shout at you and make you do it again, only because it does make such a difference on how accurate the readings are, and accuracy is definitely the name of the game. Yeah. Second thing is the inter-examiner reliability, so me checking against me, or if somebody else was checking you, is much higher, the kappa score is much higher, if you're checking people in their own shoes, because your postural distortion patterns reflect into your shoes. Makes sense, yeah? Third thing is, I want you lying down on this couch as close to 5 minutes as we can muster, certainly beyond 30 seconds and towards 5 minutes. Gets gravity off all the load-bearing structures, and it definitely improves the accuracy of the readings. That's the long version. Here's the short version. Climb on from the back of the couch in normal shoes, lie down and chill out, because it definitely works better, and then we'll go on with it. Yep? Yeah. Okay, so you don't actually know what your PD is, do you?
Not at all.
You're about to find out. Okay, turn your head all the way right. Look at the door. There you go. There you go. Now look at. We'll go all the way to the other side. We'll call that the left or the window. There we go. Head back into the centre. Okay. So you are a very clear right PD on a possibility 2. Play a lot of football, don't you? So, yeah. Okay, so I would say in that, again, 5 to 7 millimeter range, you're on the cusp of it. Wouldn't be surprised if I knew nothing about you, but there's some old injuries. You definitely had some problems. Yeah, you're young and you probably feel okay at the moment, but there's clearly some stuff going on that we can address. Yeah. Okay. So possibility 2, we start at L4. So let's have your left hand up behind your back. That's the one. And that very clearly lengthens your right leg. Both hands up behind your back together. And that very much goes the opposite way, both back down by side. So we've got an L4 on the right and an L2 on the left. I'll set up and do the first one, and then I've got a question for you, okay? Setting 4. Okay, world at this point, Jeff, is divided into 2 types of people. Those that just want me to get on with it, and those that want to know all of the detail about everything that I'm doing. Honestly, which one are you?
I'd love to know detail.
Always the detail. By far the most popular answer. There is a third answer where people are like slightly embarrassed, and it might be, I don't know if it's a world thing or it's a British thing, but they go, oh, I'm not sure, and what they actually means, no, please tell me everything, but whatever's easier for you, I want you to know. So I'm going to talk you through L2 adjustment on the left side. So top of iliac crest, come across, that's lumbar 4. We then work our way up, and I'm feeling between the gaps, 3, we come up to L2. Come across to the inferior articular process. Kind of in the channel of the muscle there, the rectus spinae and multifidus muscle. Tip of the tool in place, 8 pounds of preload pressure, anterior superior, so forward and up line of drive, deliver the thrust, there's a definite pause and release. Yep. You felt it?
Yep.
Okay. We know it's going to move that bone 1.8 millimeters in exactly 10.4 milliseconds. The voltage that whizzes up your spine, 3,363 millivolts, actually jumps across, goes up this side, then hits your cerebellum and sensory and motor cortex and basically lights it up like Christmas. And that's what changes the neurology and changes the functional outcome, which is why you can see it in the leg length change. Locally, release of anti-inflammatory interleukins into your spinal cord, and we also know it stimulates a regrowth of osteoporotic bone tissue in the animal studies that have been done, and mostly on hips and knees, but the interference, what I'm looking for, people have inferred that it would happen the same. It definitely happens on hips and knees. Maybe said hips and something else there. That was close. Okay, so from here on in, the other thing that's true is if I'm talking and doing this, I'm probably not doing it as well. So from here on in, I'm just going to shut up, issue the instructions, and we'll just get on and go through as we need to, yeah? Okay? Okay, so let's have your right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. Left hand up as well. And both back down by sides. Turn your head to the right. Lovely. Lift the right shoulder off the couch. Back down. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears. Back down. Squeeze the right elbow into your side. And let go. Squeeze the left one in. And let go. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Head back into the centre. So, you've got T6 and a right medial, left lateral scapular pattern, very typical amongst sports people. So, yeah. Okay, that was set in 3, we're down to set in 2 for the shoulders. Slight bend in the elbow. Have you ever been adjusted by anybody before, ever?
Never.
Have you ever had like a deep tissue massage?
Yes.
Okay. I'll tell you why I'm asking in a minute. Back up. Okay, so let's lift up your head. Back down. Tuck your chin down to your chest. Back to centre. Can you feel how after that last sequence your legs have gone all loosey-goosey floppy?
They have, yeah.
They really have, haven't they? They really have. Push your face into the couch and let go. Okay, and we are going occiput on the left side. Setting 1. Okay, stretch your right hand towards your right knee. And let go. Left hand to left knee. And let go. So you kind of know, people that have been adjusted before kind of know, possibly deep tissue massage. They kind of, once somebody's done it, you kind of have a very particular how you feel afterwards, especially immediately. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So what I normally say at this point is I expect you to be a bit lightheaded and dizzy, possibly. So just carefully, just sit yourself up, and if you come up to your left, so facing me, and then sit. There we go. Oh, okay. And there is a definite feeling sensation. Blood pressure drops, brain is resetting, feels quite simple. If you've had that experience before, it's kind of like, oh yeah, I kind of know this feeling. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Okay, good. I'm going to go through and talk Jeff through some aftercare instructions, and please do the like and subscribe thing, and I'll see you next time.